Software as a service is a method of software delivery that allows data to be accessed from any device with an internet connection and a web browser. In this web-based model, software vendors host and maintain the servers, databases, and the code that constitute the application. This is a significant departure from on-premise software delivery model to a cloud-based software delivery model. First, the companies do not have to invest in extensive hardware to host the software, and this in turn allows buyers to outsource most of the IT responsibilities. The SaaS provider is going to take care of everything, including the software this time. In addition to allowing remote access through a web to the software applications and data, the software as a service also differs from on-premise software in its pricing model. On-premise software is typically purchased through a perpetual license, which means the buyers own a license to the software. They also pay about 15 to 20% per year in maintenance and support fees. Software as a service, on the other hand, allows buyers to pay an annual or monthly subscription fee, which typically includes the software license, support, and most of the other fees. A major benefit of SaaS is being able to spread out costs over time. Some of the examples that we can talk about is Office 365, which is an cloud-based email delivery model from Microsoft. Traditionally, if you ever had to install email services, you had to install Microsoft Exchange on-premise, and that needs quite a lot of hardware. Now with Office 365, you do not need any hardware on your premise. All you need is a license from O365 and internet connectivity and a supportable browser. That's all. And now you have the email services onboarded onto your premise for your employees. The other examples that we can talk about are CRM solutions, Salesforce, Facebook, Gmail are also examples of software as a service because I do not have to install anything on my premise or on my computer. All I need is a browser and a login with the user ID and password given by the cloud provider, SaaS provider in this case, and then I enter the world of software as a service delivered by the software provider.